Welcome students. We are discussing quadratic equation chapter. In this chapter we will discuss exercise 10.3. In this exercise 10.3 let us discuss the statement sums in this chapter. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Here the Rahman's age 3 years ago and 5 years from now is given. The age is in the form of reciprocal is given. You have to find the present age. So let the present age of Rahman be x years. We don't know the present age, let it be x years. Rahman's age 3 years ago is x minus 3. Let us take 3 years ago age is x minus 3. Next, Rahman's age 5 years from now is x plus 5. So Rahman's age 5 years from now is, so we have to take 5 years addition. So x plus 5 years. So reciprocal of these two ages is 1 by 3. So the reciprocal of the ages are 1 by x minus 3, then 1 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. So Rahman's present age be x years. 3 years ago means x minus 3. 5 years from now means x plus 5. Reciprocals of the ages is 1 by 3. Means if you add these two ages you will get 1 by 3. Now the LCM of the denominators is here x minus 3 and x plus 5 is there. Therefore x minus 3 into x plus 5 is the LCM. So x minus 3 will get cancelled. X plus 5 into 1 is x plus 5. Plus x plus 5 will go, then x minus 3 into 1 x minus 3 which is equal to 1 by 3. Now we can cancel, we can simplify. Here x plus x is 2x, here x and x is 2x, then plus 5 minus 3 is plus 2. Then you multiply x minus 3 and x minus x plus 5. So if you multiply, what you will get? X into x is x square. Then 5 into x is 5x. Then minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus into plus is minus 15. 3 5 is 15, which is equal to 1 by 3. Now you cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you will get 3 into 2x plus 2. 3 into 2x plus 2 is equal to x square. 5x minus 3x is 2x minus 15. Now 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6x plus 3 2s are 6 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Now to transpose plus 16 to RHS, then plus 6 to RHS. Then you will get x square minus 2 plus 2x minus 6x minus 15 minus 6 is equal to 0. So if you transpose 6 becomes minus, plus 6 becomes minus. So it becomes minus 6x minus 6. Now x square minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4x minus 21 is equal to 0. Here the coefficient of x square is 1 and the constant is minus 21. So if you multiply, you will get minus 21. So the factors of minus 21 are 7 3s are 21. Here we have to get minus. So that's why, therefore the factors are minus 7 and plus 3. Minus 7 and plus 3. Therefore it becomes minus 7 and plus 3. So 7 3s are 21. We get minus 21. Therefore we can write x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 is equal to 0. Now we can take x as common in these two terms. So if you take out x as common, remaining is x minus 7 plus here 3 and 21 are the factors of 3. If you take out 3 as common, x minus 7, 7 3 is 21. Now we can group x minus 7 and x minus 7. Therefore, if you group x minus 7, remaining terms are x plus 3 is equal to 0. We can equate to 0. Therefore, x minus 7 is equal to 0 and x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, we can take x is equal to 7 years. The age cannot be negative. Therefore, age is always positive. X is equal to 7. Therefore, Rahman's present age is 7 years. So, this is the present age of Rahman, because we have taken Rahman's present age be x years. So, that's why present age is equal to 7 years, which is equal to 7 years. Let us move to the next problem. In a class test, the sum of Shefali's marks in mathematics and in English is 30. Had she got 2 marks more in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of their marks would have been 210. Find her marks in 2 subjects. Here in the class test, the sum of the Shefali's marks in mathematics and English, sum of these 2 subject marks is 30. If she got more marks in mathematics and 3 marks less in English, the product of the marks would be equal to 210. So we have to find the marks obtained by the Shefali in the class test. Let Shefali's marks in mathematics be x. Let us consider the mathematics marks be x. And English marks is 30 minus x. Students, let us consider if one student got 18 marks in mathematics. So what is the remaining marks if he got in English is 30 minus 18, which is equal to 30 minus 18. 30 minus 18, which is equal to 12. So this is how we can calculate the remaining subject marks or other subject marks. Similarly, if Shefali got x marks in mathematics, then she will get 30 minus x marks in English. Suppose if she got more marks in mathematics, then what happens? Already she got x marks, now it becomes x plus 2, then it becomes x plus 2. If she got 2 marks more in mathematics, then 3 marks less in English. Already she got 30 minus x marks in English, and in the second statement it says that if she got 3 marks less in English means 30 minus x minus 3, and the product of the marks would be equal to 210. So the product of the marks is 210. So we can take x plus 2, this is mathematics marks, 30 minus x, science marks. The product of these 2 marks is 210. Now let us simplify. X plus 2, 30 minus 3 is 27 minus x is equal to 210. Now we can multiply. 27 into x is 27x. 27 into 2, 54, minus x into x is x square, minus x into 2 is 2x is equal to 210. Now minus 20, first let us write minus 20 minus x square, then 27 minus 2 is plus 25, then 54 is equal to 210. Let us write the given equation, this equation in the standard form. So transpose x square to RHS, it becomes plus x square. Then transpose plus 25 to RHS, it becomes minus 25, then plus 54 to RHS, it becomes minus 54 and 210 there only, which is equal to 0. Therefore, x square minus 25x plus 156 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the factors of 156 by factorization method. We have to find the factors of 180, 156 by factorization method. By splitting this middle term, we have to split this middle term into two factors. Therefore, the factors are minus 13 and minus 12. So, minus 13 and minus 12 are the factors of 156 minus 12. So, if you multiply, you will get minus into minus is plus, 12 6 are 156. We can write x square minus 13x minus 12x plus 156. Now take out x as common, x minus 13 minus 12 into x minus 13. 12 into x minus 13. Next x minus 13 is common. Take out x minus 13. The remaining terms are x minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 13 is equal to 0 or x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to 13, x is equal to 12. So, x is nothing but the mathematics marks. Shuffle is mathematics marks. Therefore, shuffle is marks in mathematics is 13. And 30 minus x. 30 minus 30 is equal to 17 marks. So, if you take 13 marks, if you take 13 as a mathematics marks, then English marks becomes 17. Suppose if you take 12 marks in the second condition, if she got 12 marks in mathematics, then English marks becomes 30 minus 12, which is equal to 12. So if you add 12 and 18, you will get 30 marks. Similarly, 13 plus 17 is equal to 30 marks.